You say Shay?
Shay?
Shay, yeah. Shay.
What do you think of your new brother, Kai?
Papa.
You want to give him a kiss? Oh, you.
Papa.
Yeah. Shay's brought you a present. You want to see what it is? Want to see what the present is?
Hello. No.
Nice and gentle. Good girl. Nice and gentle. That's the way well done.
Juice.
Juice. Oh yeah. I promised you juice, didn't I?
Juice.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Juice.
Yeah. Yeah. Next, one more. I'm going to sit down and then we can give you the hot cup. You got your new jeans on. Yummy. One more.